Yeah, you gotta follow the Instagram. Just, that's all of them.
Okay.
Good morning, Miss Guerrero. Good morning, Destiny. Come on in. These are our dogs.
That you said you would love to see.
Yes, and they'll come in the room with us as well. Jackson, Smiley, Kiwi will be in this room right over here. And this is our other family advocate, Sherry, as well. Hi. So we'll be walking in. Let's go. Destiny, good morning, Ms. Guerrero. My name's Yvette. I'm the family advocate here at the center. How are you both doing today?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. As a family advocate, I meet with the family to explain the process of today's appointment, and I answer any questions or address any concerns that you guys may both have before the interview begins. Today, Destiny will be speaking with our forensic interviewer, Jackie. She will come in the room, introduce herself to both of you, and then take Destiny to the interview room, okay? In the room, it will only be Destiny and the forensic interviewer, while the investigation team observes from a different room. Okay. Any questions? No. Okay. So the team consists of an assistant state's attorney, law enforcement, Department of Children and Family Services, as well as our mental health therapists on staff. Destiny will be, while you're in the interview room, I will be meeting with Mom just to kind of go over a few things, okay? Destiny, I want to remind you that you're not in any trouble. We're here to listen to what you have to say and to get help for anyone that may need it, okay? Mom, after the interview, the investigation team will meet with you and go over their next steps, and you'll be able to ask questions, and they'll be able to kind of answer some for you as well. Okay? Now, before we get started, we'll go see the forensic interview room where Destiny will be going.
Okay.
So you guys can follow me. Excuse me. So Ms. Guerrero and Destiny, this is the forensic interview room. Well, Destiny will be in with our forensic interview, Jackie. Destiny, you will be sitting right here in this chair, and our forensic interviewer will be sitting right across from you, okay? I just want to remind you that you are not in any trouble, and we just want to make sure that you're safe, and then we can help in any way that we can, okay? Any questions?
No.
No? Okay, I'll take you guys back to the other room. All right, guys, we're going to go back in the family room. Please have a seat. Okay, Ms. Guerrero and Destiny, before we get started, I just need to go over our consent and get that signed for the interview. I'm going to have you review the information. I'll tell you where to sign. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay? There you go. You could go ahead and review the information. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
Okay, I'm going to go get the forensic interviewer. I'll be right back. Okay. Excuse me.
Hi Destiny, how are you today?
Good.
I'm Jack. I'm going to be talking to you for a little bit. Is that okay? Yeah. Alright, you want to come with me? Okay. Alright. You ready?
So Ms. Guerrero, how are you doing?
I'm doing as well as can be expected, I think, right now.
Okay. So as a family advocate, my role is to check in with the guardians, see if there's any way that we could assist in any way to address any concerns that you may have. We also offer family services. The way that we do that is we have a voluntary screening tool. The screening tool helps us to see different, go over different areas such as trauma history, any mental health related needs, or other areas such as legal aid. And the purpose of this tool is to help us see if there's any needs that we would be able to help you with, any resources that we could provide for you. I will document any information and relay this information to our team observing the interview. If there's anything that you prefer that I do not relay to the team, please let me know. I can keep it confidential unless there's a safety concern, which I would have to inform them.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So we'll go over the screening tool while she's doing her interview, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Come on in, Destiny. You want to take a seat right there? Alright. Is it comfy enough?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So Ms. Guerrero, this is DCFS investigator Ms. Cruz, this is Detective Myers, and this is our therapist on staff, Denise. Each of them will inform you of their next steps in the investigation process. After DCFS and detective have informed you of their next steps, Denise, our mental health therapist, will speak to you in regards to appropriate referrals, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you.
Well, first and foremost, I want to say thank you for coming here. I know this is a traumatic experience. First and foremost, I want you to understand that this process doesn't end today. It doesn't end tomorrow. This investigation may take days, weeks, even months. We'll have to look at forensics. We're going to have to look at DNA and other things that are going to put this case together. And anytime you can call me, let me know if you have any concerns or questions, what direction the investigation is going. Is there anything that I can help you with?
No, sir, thank you.
So like Detective Myers said, this is an ongoing investigation. At this time, since it is ongoing, and we don't have anything determined today, we're just asking that the alleged offender not have any contact with your child.
Okay, of course not. Thank you.
And again, if there's any questions or anything comes up, please feel free to reach out to me. In the meantime, I will be in contact with Detective Myers.
Thank you.
Ms. Guerrero, do you have any questions for the detective or for DCFS?
No, I just appreciate your time very much.
Detective and investigator, thank you so much for your help. Ms. Guerrero, I know you received a lot of information today. It may take a few days to process all the information that you've received. I will be making follow-up calls with you. However, please feel free to contact us here at the center with any questions or concerns that we may be able to help you and support you in any way.
Thank you so much. And there was a lot of information, but I'll carefully go through it. And then if I have any questions, I'll get back to you.
Please do.
Thank you so much.
Hi Destiny, how are you doing today?
I'm okay, I guess.
Okay, can you tell me how old you are?
I'm 12, so I'm in 6th grade.
Okay. Can you tell me something about yourself?
I like to play soccer.
Oh, you do? All right, tell me something about soccer.
I score goals.
All right.
Yeah.
That's important.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so, what position do you play?
I play center mid.
Okay.
My favorite spot.
I don't know a lot about soccer, but I do kind of know something. I do know goals are important.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you score a lot of them.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Well, I'm Jackie. I'm going to be talking to you today. Okay. And what I do in here is I talk to kids every day about if somebody's done something to them that maybe shouldn't have been done. Okay. And then we talk all about it in here. How does that sound?
Sounds okay, I guess.
Okay. And so, do you know what you're here for today?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me all about it?
Why do I have to tell you if I already told my therapist?
Well, Destiny, that's a good question. I'm not a therapist. I'm a forensic interviewer. And in here, I talk a little different than a therapist does. So what you would do is tell me your whole story about what happened with you. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to ask you questions about it. How does that sound?
Will this be the last time I talk about it?
In here, yes. If I ask, I'm going to go back and ask all kinds of questions so you don't have to come back and talk to me again. Does that sound okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you tell me about what's been going on?
Where do you want me to start?
Well, Destiny, a lot of kids start in the beginning and walk me through all the way to the end, if that sounds okay.
I can do that.
Okay.
I think I can.
Okay. So go ahead and start from the beginning.
I think it started when I was 7 years old.
Okay.
My mom's boyfriend would wait until my mom left for work, and then he would come up into my bed and kneel beside me, and I would pretend I was asleep because I was scared. And he would pull down the blanket, and then he would like try to touch my private part, and then he would touch me inside of my pants.
Destiny, I know this is hard, but take your time and we're going to get through it, okay?
He did this every time.
So, Destiny, you said that it happened every time. How much did he do it?
My mom would work once a week at night, so he would do it every week, once a night.
Okay. So every week, once a night. Did he ever do anything different?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me about when it was different.
He would jerk on his penis and pee on me.
Okay, so you said he would jerk on his penis and pee on you. Can you tell me all about the pee?
He would go on my body, and it was gross and sticky.
Can you tell me anything else about the pee?
Yeah, that was the grossest part.
Okay, Destiny, so in the beginning, when we first started talking, you said something about him touching you inside of your pants. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
He would thrust his penis inside me, and it hurt really bad.
Okay, so when you say that he thrusted his penis inside of you, can you tell me what you mean by inside of you?
Inside my vagina.
Okay, Destiny, you said that he would thrust his penis inside of your vagina. Can you tell me anything more about what that felt like?
It felt gross and it hurt just really bad.
Okay. You've told me a lot. Is there anything else that you can remember happening?
No.
Okay, Destiny, well, thanks for talking to me today. If this were to ever happen again, is there anybody that you can go to?
My mom.
Your mom's a good one. Can you think of anybody else? Like somebody at school or somewhere outside your house?
Like, I guess my teacher.
Okay. Well, teacher's a really good one. Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so your mom and a favorite teacher would be two very good people to go to. So if this were to ever happen again, make sure you tell them as soon as you can, okay? Are you guys doing anything fun after this?
I think we're gonna go eat. Someplace.
Okay. Well, thanks for talking to me today, Destiny. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have a good time going to eat.
Thank you.
So, Ms. Guerrero, this is Denise, our mental health therapist on staff. She will be speaking to you in regards to mental health services as well as appropriate referrals if they're needed. Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, Ms. Guerrero. Like Vet said, my name is Denise. I'm a trauma therapist here at the Will County Children's Advocacy Center. How are you doing today?
I'm grateful that you're here.
Okay.
It's been hard.
Right. Well, first, thank you so much for bringing Destiny here today. She was incredibly brave.
I'm so proud of my Mia. I'm so proud. Thank you.
We're very proud of both of you. Okay. I was in the observation room with the rest of the team witnessing the forensic interview, and based on everything that Destiny disclosed, I am highly recommending that she continue her trauma-informed therapeutic services.
Okay. Okay, yeah, we have an appointment set back up with our therapist tomorrow.
Okay, okay, good. That's great. If you have any further questions or her therapist has questions, feel free to sign the release of information, and then I'll be happy to discuss with you.
All right, that sounds great. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for coming.
And thank you so much.